Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm AidanMCJ and today's video is literally like the only Friday I ever upload because normally my schedule is on a Tuesday, if you don't know. Is the BecauseRaceCarBox unboxing. Yeah boy! Now today's unboxing is December's unboxing and then the next one will be in January. And as you can see outside of the car, it's absolutely horrid weather, so we won't actually be able to use any of these products for a little while. But let's get into the unboxing. So let's start opening the box. And oh my god. Merry Christmas from BecauseRaceCarBox with a WRX STI on the back. Oh my god, that's actually well nice. Look, he's got his little roof panels on the back. And then obviously what it tells us, what it does, and I'll go through that after we've unboxed the video. So obviously, every time they put this out, don't forget to tag us and stuff. I always tag them in my Instagram stuff anyway. Right. Oh, this is exciting. So we start off with the, Jesus, W4 Citrus Foam. It's a, oh Jesus, what is it? Unlike traditional pre-wash snow foams that come loaded with caustic chemicals, W4 Citrus Foam is a pH-neutral formula that removes hard to shift grime. So it's a pH-neutral snow foam. There you go, that's the bottle. A weird type of bottle, actually. Let's have a little smell. Oh. What does that smell like? Oh, it smells like bath bombs or something. I don't know what it smells like, but my nostrils are now very open. Let's delve back into the box. Ah, yes! HD Car Care Chocolate Orange Quick Detailer. Now, I've got loads of different, quick detailers and stuff. And, again, I'm going to have to smell it, guys. Oh my god, I wish you could smell this. I wish you could. Oh, that is absolutely dank. I look forward to using that. And it's actually a what? A limited festive edition. If you see there. Probably won't focus because my camera doesn't like to fast focus. Gloss enhancer with advanced sealant. Very good. I'll be bringing that to the channel, obviously, as in a different kind of video and stuff. We've got Car Chem, the next generation de-icer. Oh, I've never got a de-icer before. Obviously it's because it's winter now, but I've never got nothing like this before. So I'll show you in another video how that works, actually. On a icy morning, I'll bring the camera out with me when I'm going to work, and I'll put it on the windscreen and see how it works. And then finally, for the liquid-based products, we have the HD Car Care Limited Festive Edition Cranberry Shampoo. Again, they're bringing all these fruity ones out, and I'm gonna have to smell them all. Like, come on. Oh my! Nah, I'm not gonna drink. It literally, right. So, if you've ever tried Cherryade, it smells exactly like that. Oh my god, that is, oh. That is just the cherry on top of the cake for me, you know what I mean? It's cranberry, but it's a cherry. So that's the last one, which is a pH-neutral maintenance shampoo. Free from gloss enhancers, excellent lubricity. Alright, cheers. Matte and vinyl wrap safe and LSP safe. So that's another one that I'll have to bring to the channel. As always, we have the applicator spray bottle lids. 2 of them. We have the black gloves, as we normally have. Black gloves. We've also got something else. We've got a actual BecauseRaceCarBox smelly. Now, you see, I've dragged this in. Just angle the camera towards it. There you go. The Cosmic Air Freshener is up, and then obviously you can see the Turbo one is still up. I've also been using a lot of the Parma Violet one that was sent in the October box, I think. Was it the October box or was it the last box? I don't know. But that's actually like a really, really nice smelling product. So, a BecauseRaceCarBox actual smelly. You can't smell it through the packet, so I'm hoping that it's going to be really nice. And we needed this in the last video, the detailing video, because the other one that I was using wasn't as good. We've got a BecauseRaceCarBox Korean Compact Drying Towel. Now this looks like absolutely massive drying towel, and you can tell it's going to be really good. I'm hoping that it's really, really soft. Let's have a feel. Let's cop a feel of this towel. Open, you bastard. Oh yeah, that's proper soft, that is. Oh yeah, that's proper soft. I could use that on my body. I'm not going to though. Smells quite nice as well. It smell. Okay, so the smell, right? You know when you're going like somewhere like Dunelm, and you can smell all the rugs and stuff? That's literally what it smells like. Or like a bed warehouse or something. That's what this smells like. It smells absolutely yummy. So, that is all that we've got in it. Let's just get to the card, put everything back in the box. Now, as you probably won't know, but a lot of the people that I meet do know, is I have a box in the back of the car with all my detailing products in and stuff, especially all the ones from BecauseRaceCarBox, and there is a lot, and it's still going to keep going. So obviously we got the Winter Warrior Edition, it's called, look, Winter Warrior Edition. So we've got the HD Car Care Cranberry pH Neutral Shampoo. We've got the HD Car Care Chocolate Orange Quick Detailer. We've got the G-Technic W4. I swear that, yeah, W4. I said it right. Citrus Foam. And the Car Care De-Icer. Now apparently the De-Icer has a fast-acting formula which quickly clears ice from your car's windows. It's effective to temperatures down to -20, which we'd never have. It's very rarely -4 and below. So that's really good, and I really like the photo as well. I always really like the photos, to be fair, and I always keep the cards as well. So yeah, a really good addition of the BecauseRaceCarBox. Thank you very much to BecauseRaceCarBox for sending it out. I'm sure they appreciate me being a subscriber every month. Sponsor me. And as always, they're sending me a really, really good value box. Now, obviously, all the products are definitely over the price tag of $16.99. So, with that in mind, guys, and because this is going out just before Christmas, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!